I'm Josh Hendricks, I'm the owner of Wisconsin Wraps. So we're using this for a lot of corrugated plastic and aluminum composite signage. The main thing I like about the Keencut device is the ease of use, the repeatability of cutting a job and multiple pieces being the same every single time. The usability is really easy. You can spend 30 seconds with someone and anyone can run this machine consistently, quickly, effectively, and that's really the best thing about this machine. It all cuts really well and clean. When cutting stuff by hand, like aluminum composites, I would have to do 3 or 4 passes with a cutter, a blade, before I could break it and snap it off. This is one and done. So overall efficiency has been really well improved. Perfectly clean, every cut, makes no mess, there's no mess on the ground. Around it, nothing. So it's just highly efficient. Using a box cutter with a big exposed blade, you can slip, you can cut yourself. This, all the blades are contained in the machine. You can't get your fingers in there. I could teach my 10-year-old nephew how to use this and he could be back here all day long running it and I would never have any questions about safety with this.